Hi DI family, I bet you're all set up and ready to go to watch the Super Bowl with the new TVs and speakers we installed for you. But there's a flag on the play. You haven't entered the Digital Installer Super Bowl contest yet. It's free to enter and there's great prizes. We appreciate your business over the years and want to make your Super Bowl even more exciting. First place prize is a private movie night for 8 people at the DI Studios Starlit Theater. Kick back in our plush chairs, choose your favorite movie from the exclusive library, and enjoy on our 181-inch screen. Includes refreshments and our locally world-famous candy bar. Second place prize is a foursome of golf at Pebble Beach or any of the 84 courses on our new FullSwing golf simulator, refreshments included. Third place prize is 20% off a projector of your choice. A huge discount that will take your home theater to the next level. To enter the Digital Installer Super Bowl contest, go to digitalinstallers.com and wait for the pop-up or navigate to our promotions page. Click the Enter Contest button and place your bets. Remember, this is free, but entries are limited to 1 per person. Click Submit and...
Well,